Hi, welcome back to this old farmhouse. One of the first things we did when we moved in was to put insulation in the loft. We boarded it out and put a loft ladder up. We also found out that we had a wood borer and beetle when we bought the property, so we had the fumigators in to help us out with that. If you want to see how we got on, watch this video.
Hi guys, this is what you need to be careful of. Okay, if you have a wood beetle or a wood worm, you always need to step on the planks and do not step on the ones between the planks, because if you put your whole body on it like this, you'll fall through. I think I'm done now.
You done?
I think.
Well done.